This is the Fat and Unfiltered podcast where we fill your bellies up
and give you the juice. Welcome back, baby loves.
Okay, let's do that one more time because I don't know what this is.
What? Was I supposed to do that?
No.
Oh.
It was, yeah.
Okay.
That's what it was that, right?
Okay. Yeah.
I don't. Okay.
I thought that was the whoa.
Okay, we're going to put that in. Somewhere can you hit that real quick.
All right.
This is the Fat and Unfiltered podcast where we fill your bellies up
and give you some juice. Welcome back, baby loves. Welcome back. Guys, if you are new to our channel, I am Deshawn. Talk today.
And I'm Savion, Miss Kitty.
And guys, we would love for you to go and like,
comment,
subscribe,
share,
and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way you are updated when we update you.
Okay, because we coming.
We are coming.
Okay, and the hair was coming too.
The hair was coming. And if you are returning, thank you, baby loves.
Yes.
We appreciate it.
And we miss y'all every time.
Every time. But we are back with another one.
Okay.
I'm so hungry. What we got going on?
Y'all, we got a breakfast mukbang.
Who don't like breakfast?
It's kind of trending. So I was like, let's jump on this because I love breakfast in the evening time.
I do too. You can't go wrong with breakfast.
Yes. What about y'all?
Yeah.
You like breakfast in the evening?
Let us know.
Yeah.
And if so, what are some of y'all favorite breakfast meals? Because I know this is kind of traditional. What we have.
Yes,
I don't know what I was about to say. But what
traditional?
A credential.
We making up words at Fat and Unfiltered podcast today.
Is that what we doing?
We are.
But what we having first?
We got pancakes, y'all. Some crispy bacon. Sausages, eggs, and we needed some strawberries. But I felt that.
I did too.
Mimosas.
She love her some mimosas.
I do.
She do. But I'm excited to try it. But on top of us having this breakfast, she also wanted to throw in a little challenge of the no challenge.
Yeah, is it the no habits challenge?
No, this is the no Which one we can't do both of them at the same time.
Okay, so yeah, let's
I have to prepare myself.
So let's do the
Okay.
because that's you. I think that's sis.
So if I'm not saying that does not mean the food isn't good.
Yes.
I wonder who could say, because you kind of say too.
Do I?
You
do
really
I say
do. I heard you say
Look, okay, now she calling me. I like
yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes we want y'all to watch. If y'all can keep up,
Okay.
let us know who said it the most. If we said, but I'm competitive, so I don't plan on saying it.
Baby girl is competitive because yesterday on them egg rolls, girl, when I watched that video back, I was like,
trying.
When you start tapping that box, girl, I said, oh, sis was ready for me. Said, oh, no, you was not finna out eat me.
Right? But, y'all, I'm ready to get in and all we got to do is say a little blessing, and we in that thing.
And I think it's my time, guys.
It is.
Guys, God, thank you for blessing us today. Blessing us with our health and our strength. Thank you for blessing us with this food as it nourishes our bodies. And bless our subscribers abundantly in your name. Amen.
Time to get into it.
See, it's the holidays. Look, she's sharing with y'all today.
I'm hungry. Yeah, I gotta give her credit. Sis whipped it up today. They probably like, we know. They probably like, we know.
What?
I said, and then you said it right after me. You said it right after me.
Because that sausage, y'all. What brand of sausage is that?
I don't know. Ain't that Applegate?
It's good. Okay. Yeah, already. Okay.
5 minutes into the show, and we don't say the one. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is really good.
It really is. I love waiting to get some goodness.
Okay.
And these buttermilk pancakes look delicious. Oh, we clearly said we brought that for that. I know. I'm just. Ooh, the drizzle.
These some big old pancakes.
Girl, you did that too. I'm trying to make sure I ain't have it. Oh, gosh. This be that kind of meal you don't want to bite your fingers off.
I don't really like a lot of syrup, y'all.
Look, I'm sharing. Ooh, I'm dripping and I'm sharing and I'm dripping and I'm sharing.
Oh, dripping and she's sharing.
Mm-hmm.
Let me find out we done made up or something. That syrup is really good.
I knew you would like it. I just wanted you to give it a shot. Sometimes I be saying, and I be agreeing with you. I don't be just.
Okay, so you was agreeing with me then?
Like, yeah.
Look, they gonna call you out.
They are. Y'all ain't even gotta be like that. So how y'all day been?
Okay, because we was really just rubbing, like...
Y'all let us know how y'all day been. Your day been good?
My day was good. I'm happy that it went by kind of fast today.
I agree. Yeah.
What do y'all have planned for the holidays? Like, are y'all out shopping? Because Walmart was hectic. Walmart took me 20 minutes for 3 items.
Really?
Yes.
I don't like getting out during the holiday season.
I was determined to have these mimosas today, though.
And she was. She made them all fancy and cute.
I did just for you guys.
So you the girl that be getting the bottomless mimosas when you go to brunch. If you can get all you can have.
That's why I was so happy when we went to was it Ellen's for your birthday?
Yeah. And seeing you and Tria was in that thing because she loved her some damn.
Yes, that's why we bought the bottle. Yeah. Came with its own little bottle.
For real, y'all was really just walking around with that.
Yeah. No, it's real. Ain't nothing wrong with a little, wine in the morning time.
No, and that's so fun. When she drinks, it's just cute.
I'm really not a big drinker.
But hey, we starting to build up that tolerance a tad bit. It's looking like.
Yeah. I love me some wine now. Bye.
Maybe that's what it is. You like to like this sausage is good. Look at that, y'all. I done started sharing a lot more.
You really have, y'all. Let me go ahead and taste this bad boy.
I wish y'all could have heard her because I heard the goodness going down.
Yeah. That's why y'all say we need a mic. So you can hear stuff like that. For that ASMR. BabyLoves.
What y'all gonna get from Miss Kitty?
She say that every time. She gonna make sure y'all know it's Miss Kitty.
I might come in as a special guest.
Guest star.
This is really good though. So good, for real. And I haven't had a good breakfast in a while anyway, so this was right on the money. And for you to say you don't do eggs, you did that.
Yeah,
Because I'm funny about my eggs. I be,
a lot of people are. I am too. I like my eggs over medium, but
yeah.
I like scrambled sometimes.
I see, and I be like, I want them scrambled hard. I don't want to see nothing dripping.
And that's the best part to me. With a piece of bread, toasted piece of bread, y'all. Man.
You hear her, Holly?
Why was I thinking about Holly?
Because I want to say what you said you be eating.
Yes. But I was like, that's inappropriate.
That is inappropriate. We might tell y'all though on the podcast.
Yeah, go to the podcast.
Mm-hmm.
We really throwing down today. We must have been hungry.
I know I was. When I started smelling the aroma, my stomach instantly started touching my back. I was like, oh Lord.
Feed me.
Mm-hmm. Girl, do you know that's like one of my favorite movies from ever now?
So what's y'all favorite movie? Because that's one of mine.
Yeah.
And Dirty Dancing.
Oh, you already know how I feel about Dirty Dancing, y'all. I get on that snap every time. Don't nobody put baby in the corner.
Nobody.
They played that part.
They did.
But see, my favorite movies, like honestly, I like those. I like them a lot. They are in that classic for me. But I love Temptations. Oh my goodness. And all people that know me be like, honey, that's Temptation. Because I would let you play nothing but by Temptations. But I love Temptations. I love Paid in Full. I guess I like a lot of.
My mama love
Paid in Full or Temptation?
Temptation.
Girl, me and her could watch it all day. I literally watched that every single day. All day. I had it on beat, and I'm telling my age, had it on VHS.
Okay.
And so I'd be like, wherever I stopped it is where I'm starting it.
Don't touch it.
My poor roommate. And the Titanic? Titanic your favorite?
That's my mom's.
Really?
Yeah.
I was just mad at Rose because it was some room for him on that.
It was. She could have let Jack on there.
She could have let Jack on there. I didn't like her for that.
And nobody ever said why she didn't let Jack on the door.
Well, I seen a meme the other day that said why Jack.
Girl.
You seen it too? Yeah. I seen that and I said I can't believe that. Cause Jack wasn't trying to get up there
at all. Stay up there, Rose. It's okay, Rose.
Why you down?
No, Rose, get your
Okay. But that was a good one. I went to the movie Sister Titanic.
You did?
And didn't realize that movie too long to be in the theaters.
Oh my goodness. Falling asleep. I'm not yeah. Every time I go to the movie, I'm gonna fall asleep.
Really?
It's like 2 hours, like an hour 45 is probably my max.
I love the movie.
I'm gonna go see Harriet. Harriet Tubman.
I'm gonna go see Queen and Slim.
I heard that it's really good.
I've been seeing mixed reviews, and I'm hearing them about Harriet too.
Really? I've only seen good ones about Harriet and Queen and Slim.
They're talking about with Harriet, pretty much not letting her have her real story out there, basically like how they kind of changed it to see that the white man still came to rescue the day at the end of the day. That's what I heard, what I've been reading under comments, like why we just can't have a true about the struggle, about the life, the history, without making it be
They Save Us.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the only thing I heard about her.
I'm gonna definitely have to look at it. And I heard Queen and Slim was really good.
I heard that too. But then, of course, with your people, as far as the comments, it's like your typical love movie, you know. And I'm like,
Black love movie.
Yeah, but so.
But I heard it was a really good black love story.
It just looked like it on the previews to me. So I'm one of them people. I don't care what I hear. I'll still give it a shot.
Have y'all seen it? What y'all think? Let us know.
Yeah.
Let us know if it's a good movie.
For real.
We know y'all going out and about.
We gonna be like y'all. We gonna be going out and up. Come. Let me try.
She took a baby sip.
I bet they're gonna be like, she the liquor drinker and you the one.
It's true.
It is true. But you know what? These mukbangs have been slowing down my drinking, so. Last night couldn't even sleep. I heard every noise. I thought about everything I had to do for the rest of my life in my head. I just couldn't shut it off.
Not everything you had to do for the rest of your life.
But that's good. I tasted, so you wasn't stingy on only your
After I
champagne.
After I poured the orange juice and I topped it off.
Look at her topping stuff off. She letting y'all know she ain't taking no baby gup.
No baby gulps for me. Yeah, I'm really over here like.
Look at me. Now the only thing that'll get me is you guys will find out. Bread for us is
It's a no.
Yeah.
Like even sometime on burgers, we might do burgers without the bread on lettuce.
Bread is really heavy.
I can't. I think I ate enough for a pancake.
Yeah.
And normally, if I order a pancake, because I don't eat pancakes by spills, I only order one. I think you do too, right?
I don't even really eat them. Like if they come with a meal. But you know what? I take that back because at our job, those are about the only I have those moments where I'm like, oh, I gotta get one of them fresh off the bread.
Sean.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
Shout out, Sean. On that grill, doing what you say, whipping that work.
Whipping that work. Them pancakes are good.
Girl, they do. Or maybe we like them so much because they fresh right there, not getting cold.
He butter in the grill as it's cooking.
No, we can't say the same about y'all sausage. Just the way you make a sausage can.
Yeah.
Because this sausage is good.
Yeah, we like our sausage. We like our meat well done.
Whew. This is a good one though.
Y'all can say, I feel like we eat more, sis.
We wasn't gonna have y'all keep coming for us.
Okay. We mukbangers.
Strawberry sweet. Oh, I done lost the challenge shit.
Victory!
She done said it just as much as me. I can't wait to go back. I can't wait to see this. Because I think I done heard a couple of times from you, and I just let it slide because I had said a couple.
Oh, black people are always trying to come for you. See, so now you see who's really competitive. But I thought it was going to be me, but clearly I think it's sis, and she coming for me.
If we ever do them challenges that be based off times and stuff, yeah, I'm probably really going in.
So we're going to have to do a time challenge. I see.
Because I can go in. Really good, though.
It was.
We actually want y'all to give us some challenges to do. Like something that's new. You know, maybe help us start a challenge with somebody.
We could. We could think of our own challenge to start.
I couldn't even think of nothing.
Because, girl, they be doing all kind of challenges. I seen the raw onion challenge. Shout out to Casey Connection. And she started a, how many cucumbers you can eat. I think it was 10 minutes.
I
see,
saw
you don't
that
like
because
cucumbers.
I saw Prissy P do that one. But I was like, that's why I kind of just passed by that one because I wouldn't win that one.
Yeah, because you don't like it.
I don't like cucumbers. I like onions, but I don't know if I want to sit there and eat raw onions.
So we should come up with our own challenge and then challenge people.
Yeah, but we just need you guys to actually join the challenge, so we'll be.
That's okay. They will.
Oh, okay. Okay, we shall see.
Because we can shout out. We can start with some of the small YouTubers.
That's what I said yesterday. I was fine with it.
Yeah, we can come up with our own challenge and then we'll shout them out. And we're gonna shout out some of the big YouTubers too. And shout out to Prissy P. PR Game. Yes, for commenting on our egg roll challenge. Yes. She's actually the one who started it.
She is. So we're very well. Yeah. I watched her husband because I'm a faithful watcher of you guys.
That's why I wanted her to correct me. That's why.
But I watched your husband. I think his name is Ray Sean. Because we couldn't
figure out the name. Because
yesterday I was like Ray Sean. I was like, wait, that's my name. So his name is Ray Sean and PR Game, Prissy P husband. Yeah. And he had 10, and I think he just got through with 7. We got through with 6.
We was close.
We was so close. So thank y'all. Yeah. Thank you. We appreciate the love.
That was a really good challenge, and we appreciate y'all for actually coming on the video.
Got excited, got happy.
Girl.
Hey, don't start nothing, Prissy P. I'll be over here like, hey, all I want for Christmas is a collabo.
Sis was here on the sofa, and I was like, girl, look, they done commented on the video, and she was like, oh my God.
Because we really like them. We really like them. So it did. And then after the comment that we made yesterday, when we feel like, this mukbang community can make a small channel feel like what said.
It's hard to get a secret society.
Yeah, secret society.
It's hard to get into.
Yeah, so the fact that you would even give a shout out already shows you can't even think like that. Like, we're going to continue to keep pushing, and whoever catch the wave of Fat and Unfiltered catches it.
Because she took the time out, it was her husband took the time out to comment on our video and didn't even have to. So we appreciate it. But like we said the other day, God is going to send the right people our way. Like, we're going to elevate. Y'all going to see us.
Yes,
and we appreciate we both messing up words today, sis.
Well, she on her mimosa now. And you could look at my mimosa and look at hers already.
Let me take another top.
Y'all, her ass is about to be tipsy. Y'all, don't let Miss Kitty.
Ooh, girl. We appreciate y'all for being on the ride.
Y'all, it's hitting her. This is no joke. I know her. She's a light one. She lightweight, y'all. Girl, you are teared up and everything.
Y'all gonna be laughing.
What is you laughing for, sir? What is you laughing for, sir?
Oh, God. So,
is your palm sweaty?
Yeah, so
it's him.
So now y'all see, when I say I'm really a lightweight, I truly am a lightweight.
This is too funny to me. I love it. It's okay.
And this is a real authentic reaction. Ooh, Lord,
and this is how I look at it every time when I be like, you done drank that juice and you over here. I wish that's all it took for me.
It was good. It's good.
It really is good. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. It's just, I'm ready to go top it with some vodka.
She want to go top it with some clear. If I top it with some clear,
you gonna be laughing.
I'm gonna be spat on that.
But yes, but you did an awesome job because she did do this. So I'm very appreciative of it. I cannot wait. And I do like the fact that I am blessed to have a co-host, a hostess with the mostest with me that wants to cook, but then she don't mind cooking. Because, it's one thing to say, I want to cook. But like, who gonna be
And
cooking?
thank you, because I feel like anything to help us grow. That is my mindset. Anything to help us grow and elevate. I'm here for it. So if y'all got some meals, put them in the description, because you never know. You might see them on Fat and Unfiltered Podcast Mukbangs.
You might. And you know what? We believe y'all need to go tell y'all friends to tell their friends so we can all be friends. So y'all need to thumbs up this video if you liked it.
Okay.
Please like,
comment,
share,
and subscribe.
And don't forget to hit that bell notification. That way you're updated when we update you.
Okay.
And we really hope you guys enjoyed this.
I enjoyed this one. I did.
Go on and take one for the road.
One more for the road, guys. All right.
Now we only had from the 99-2000 drop right now. No telling where she'll be at.
Okay.
Because she can dance.
Hey.
So, yeah, it'll be waves just going. But, yeah.
Now she telling y'all something.
For real. And if you guys are local or close by the Dallas area, Austin, Houston, whatever the case may be, y'all want to like meet up and just hang out or chill, I would love to do that because I love meet and greets and I love networking. So that made me think of that when I said to the 99-2000.
And we are like, the same way you see us right now, the same way you're going to see us off camera, y'all.
Yeah, we ain't got time to act.
No time to act. Like, good fun.
Good fun.
Yes, come on.
So, on that note, what would you say? Peace.